Hi, this is Bob, and this is first video in my free stream notification series with live commentary. I was asked to redo my videos because apparently the sound I use is a bit creepy. So let's present the free Twitch notification in with live commentary. Uh, if you're not familiar with the tool, it's very similar to NightDev tool or tNotifier. Actually works exactly like tNotifier, but it runs locally from your computer. Uh, yeah, to download the tool, you just go to my web page. Link is in the description. Hit download and save the file on your drive. I already have the files, but if you unpack, you will see exactly the directory structure as I do here. In addition, I added the customized version of follower notification that I made for Time to Own You. He helped me out with the testing and finding some bug with my implementation. So after you unpack the sources, you will see something like this, and first what I suggest you to read is the readme file. So if you open the readme, there is quite a lot of text for different notification for PayPal and Hitbox and some other stuff, but we are interested in the Twitch notification. So here's the section describing the feature. After you unpack, what is the requirement? The requirement is to have active Python installed. Here's the link, you can download that if you don't have it yet. And the reason for Python is for the simple HTTP server. Twitch doesn't like running from local file system, but it tolerates running from localhost, so we need to have very simple HTTP server. Of course, you can use any other web server that runs locally on your hard drive and copy the files there. So what you need to do is run the command python -m simple HTTP server. Basically what that does is starting the server, and now you have the access to all the files in that directory from HTTP localhost URL. So let's show it. So this is the URL. You can, of course, you can change the port. That's not a problem. And here, after you activate the follower alert HTML, you will see that you need to connect to Twitch. After you hit the button, the page will redirect to Twitch, and you need to authenticate the application and log into Twitch. This is for the Twitch Kraken API, which allows us to use their API without limitation. So let's hit the connect. I'm already logged into to Twitch, so there is no redirection. If you want to see how the redirection looks, just check my older video. So after you log in, Twitch adds a bunch of stuff to the URL, so just remove that. And just like NightDev tool, you can preview the alert by adding onload test. let's do that. And yeah, here's the result. Let's see that again. So the basic follower alert is here. This is my junk account that I use for testing. What the script does is checking it's checking the Twitch API for new followers. That the test command is for the to show the latest follower. If you don't have any, the text test will be shown instead. And now, how to connect that to OBS? So you have the follower notification, and what you need to do is create new source in OBS, monitor capture, whatever the name is, and you select the sub region. Basically make it whatever big you want and add it to, yeah, okay. And now also use color key to remove the red background. Yeah, and that's basically, yeah, it's complaining about the error, and basically that's it. I probably didn't select something correctly. Let's check it one more time. Yeah, and when you, that's fine, when you hit the alert again, you will see it is on the screen. So this is basic concept of the follower, but of course if you want, you can use the basic UI look of the notification, but of course many of you would like to change that. So how to do that? Okay, so the follower alert is contains two files: follower alert HTML and CSS. So all the graphical stuff is in the CSS, and the HTML contains the actual script that's fetched from the Twitch API. So we have three main elements of the notification. It's parent, alert, and actual text of the notification. And as you saw in the notification, there is additional text just followed. You can remove that text. It's up in the variable sections. Just uncomment that if you, or comment, not comment, but remove the text if you don't want to use it. So let's change a bit the notification alert. One more thing, you can also change the default delay between request to Twitch API. Default is 30 seconds. I think it's reasonable and doesn't need to be changed, but yeah, but you can change it. So let's change the UI a bit. So first thing I will do, I will disable the alert animation so that we could see what is going on with the notification. So let's do that. Okay, now we have the notification permanently on the screen. You can use inspect element in Chrome and see what there is, but it's basically the same what we have in HTML, so I won't use it. Okay, so we would like to change it to some custom graphics, so let's do that. In follower CSS we have alert, text and parent, just like in the HTML, and we have a bunch of code here. So first I want to change is remove those 3 lines, because I don't want to have the text centered. I want to have in exact position when the graphics is, and I don't want to use the default blue background. So let's use the URL background URL for that. So I have already one image in another folder. Let's use that, and let's see what it does. Okay, so it's maybe not what we wanted. We definitely don't want to repeat the image so many times, so let's change the width of the alert. So let's check what width we have on the. Okay, we have 300 and 123. Okay, so we'll change the width, and the height, it seems that can stay. Let's see that. Okay, let's reposition the text, and also the text is a bit too big for us, so we won't need that here. Okay, let's do 24 and left 20 pixels, top 20 pixels, and let's see where the text will be. Okay, not quite there. Maybe something like 60 and 80 maybe. Yeah, let's do 100 and 60 or 50. Let's check it. Yeah, maybe a bit lower. Maybe. Yeah, spot on. Okay, so now we change the graphics, and of course we can resize everything on the. We probably should. So let's do that. Okay, it was something like 300, so okay. Okay, we should be good to go. Yeah. So this is how you change the graphics in the follower notification. Exactly the same code is for subscriber notification. It's sub alert and follower. Those two are together are the Twitch notifications, and the code is almost exactly the same. So the UI code is exactly the same. The HTML is a little bit different, but the exact same steps can be done to change the UI part. And one more thing, how to change the sound if you of course don't want to use the default one. So you need to go to the play it function. Here is a definition from where the function will take the sound file. So it is located in the audio folder and it's called sound mp3. So just change this to whatever you want to use. Copy your own audio file in the directory and replace the text here, and you should be set. Okay, thank you for watching, and yeah, subscribe, visit my webpage, use the package and give me some feedback. What do you think? Okay, thank you, bye.